In this video, we will be learning how to solve logarithmic equation. Our objectives: learn how to solve logarithmic equation. What is logarithmic equation? A logarithmic equation is containing a variable in a logarithmic expression.
Examples of this are log x plus 4 to the base 5 is equal to 7 and log x plus 4 to the base 7 is equal to 2. Here are the steps in solving logarithmic equation. First, isolate the logarithmic term in one side of the equation. Second, write the equation in exponential form. Third, solve for the variable. And fourth, check to make sure you don't have extraneous solution. Here are our sample solutions. Log 3x to the base 5 is equal to log 15 to the base 5. Since magkapareho ang base nila, hindi natin sila gagalawin. So, bring down natin ang 3x at 15 para matanggal natin ang 3 sa 3x ay i-divide natin sila into 3. So, 3x divide 3 is equal to x and 15 divide 3 is 5. So, ang x natin ay 5. Para sa checking, papalitan natin ng 5 ang lahat ng x sa given natin. So, log 3 times 5 to the base 5 is equal to log 15 to the base 5. So, 3 times 5 ay 15. Therefore, magkapareho sila. So,
Another example of this is log x plus 9 to the base 5 is equal to 4. Nakita nyo sa given, hindi kapareho nung unang equation. So, to solve this, copy the number and variable inside the parentheses and bring down, tapos copy the base na 5 at ang 4 as the exponent. So, ang x plus 9 equals 5 to the power of 4 is an example of exponential form. Then, copy mo muna ang x plus 9. So, 5 to the power of 4 is 625. Then, transfer mo ang positive 9 sa kabila para maging x is equal to 625 minus 9. So, 625 minus 9, the answer is 616. So, ang x natin ay 616. Para sa checking natin, palitan natin ng x ng 616. So, magiging log 616 plus 9 to the base 5 is equal to 4. So, 616 plus 9, the answer is 625. So, paano naging equal? So, di ba ang 4 ay exponent natin. So, dapat magkapareho sila. So, the answer is log 5 to the power of 4 to the base 5 or 4 is equal to 4. Here are our third example. So, log 2x minus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 2. As you can see, may number na katabi ang variable natin. So, to solve this, kagaya nung kanina, gagawin natin itong exponential form. So, 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9. Then, transfer 1 sa kabila to make it positive. Remember, kapag i-transfer mo ang variable or ang number, magiging opposite sign ito. Example, from positive, magiging negative, and negative to positive. Then, 2x is equal to 9 plus 1. Or 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So, magiging 2x equal to 10. Divide both sides into 2 para x na lang ang matira. Then, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Check natin kung tama. Log 2 times 5 minus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 2. Same sa kanina, ang 2 ay exponent natin. So, dapat 2 din ang exponent natin para tama siya. Log 10 minus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 2. So, nakuha natin ang 10 from multiplying 2 and 5. Tapos, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rewrite natin ang 9. Pwede siyang maging 3 squared. So, same sila na exponent, which is ang 2. Here are our last example. So, log 16 to the base x is equal to 2. So, hindi parehas ng iba na known ang base natin. Ang equation na ito ay unknown na base. So, para ma-solve ito, bring down ninyo ang x squared is equal to 2. Ilipat natin ang 16 and equal to 0. So, dahil inilipat natin ang positive 16, magiging negative ito. Then, factor natin ang negative 16. So, magiging x plus 4 at x minus 4 equals 0. Tapos, para x na lang matira, i-reciprocate natin ang mga numbers. So, x plus 4 is equal to 0, change natin, magiging x equals negative 4. Tapos, ang x minus 4 is equal to 0, change din natin, magiging positive 4. So, may dalawa tayong solution pero dapat isa lang ang sagot niyan. So, check natin para malaman natin kung alin ang solution dyan. Para sa checking, unahin natin ang negative 4. So, log 16 to the base, negative 4 is equal to 2. Nakita nyo na negative ang base natin, which is hindi dapat. So, tawag natin diyan ay undefined. Subukan natin ang isa. So, log 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. Pag ginirite natin to, magiging 4 squared is equal to 16. So, ang 4 squared ay 16 din. So, equal sila. Therefore, ang answer natin ay positive 4.